Hello everyone, welcome back to Rishi Academy, a platform for online classes. In this video, I want to discuss what is delete command, what is a truncate command, and what is a drop command in SQL. And what is the difference between delete and truncate, and what is the difference between truncate and drop, delete and drop I want to discuss. At the same time, I want to show how to execute all these three commands in SQL. Let's look at the screen. Three commands: truncate, delete, drop, and command. Assume that this is the table created, or any table you can take, not only student 23, whatever the table you created in the database, whatever the table you created in the database, right? It may be student table, it may be supplier table, it may be customer table, whatever the table you created, take that table, then execute delete command, truncate command, and drop command. Let's look at delete command. What is delete command? Delete command helps us, or it helps the user to delete a single row or multiple rows, or all the rows of the table. We can delete single row, or we can delete multiple rows, or delete all the rows of the table, right? So we can delete it. And one more benefit here, after deleting the rows by using delete command, we can roll back the rows. Means we can restore the deleted rows. That is the benefit of delete command. We can delete single row, multiple rows, or all the rows of the table, right? And we can restore. After executing delete command, it helps us to restore the deleted commands by using rollback command. Rollback command helps us to restore the deleted rows of the table which are deleted by using delete command. That general syntax here is, look at the general syntax, delete from table name. This statement deletes the entire rows of the table, right? The second syntax, delete from table where condition. I'm writing the condition. Condition here you need to specify what rows you want to delete. So you need to specify the condition by using where class. So where is the class where we can specify the condition, how many rows you want, which rows you want to delete. So example, the first statement, delete from supplier 23, it deletes all the rows of the table supplier 23. The second one, it deletes a row, single row, where the condition is EID, employee ID is S1. So it deletes the row where the employee ID is S1. It deletes only one row, right? This is about the delete command in SQL. Helps us to delete single row, multiple rows, or all the rows of the table. Second one, truncate. Truncate helps us to delete all the rows of the table at a time. You cannot delete one row at a time. It deletes all the rows of the table. And one more disadvantage here is, I said delete command, if you delete the rows from by using delete command, we can restore the rows by using rollback. But if you delete the rows by using truncate command, you cannot roll back it. You cannot store the rows. That is the disadvantage of truncate. Truncate helps us to delete all the rows of the table, but you cannot restore the deleted rows. The general syntax here is, so truncate, you need to write truncate table, table name. You need to write here truncate table. Which table you want to truncate? Table and table name. Truncate table, table name. Right? Table, table. I want to delete all the rows of the table. Which table? So this is the general syntax. So I want to delete all the rows of supply 2023. So 23 table. So all the rows will be deleted. But point to be noted, while deleting the table rows, you need to remember, if you are using truncate, you cannot restore the deleted rows. That is the disadvantage of truncate command. Next, drop command. The drop command is used to delete the structure of the table from the database, not rows. The delete helps us to delete a row or multiple rows or all the rows of the table. The truncate helps us to delete all the rows of the table. But drop command is used to destroy the structure from the database. Delete the structure of the table from the database. Right? And you cannot roll back the table. You cannot restore the table. If the table is destroyed, if the table is deleted by using drop command, you cannot restore it or you cannot roll back it. So the general syntax here is drop table, table name. You need to write the drop table, name. Drop the table name, right? So here I want to drop the table that the table created by me, that is supplier 23, supplier 23. And point to be noted, you need to delete or you need to drop the table which is created by you only. Don't try to delete the tables created by someone else. Right? So this is the point you need to remember. Now I want to show how to execute these commands in a command prompt. Look at the command prompt. Yes, this is the command prompt. SQL command prompt. Yes. Look at the table. This is the table. The table name is supplier 22 or 23. Any table you can take, 22 or 23. This is the table created by me. It has the attributes that is supplier ID, supplier name, item price, whatever it may be. Right? So whatever the IDs or whatever the attributes are there, please try to remember. So while deleting, you need to specify the condition. So this is the table, right? In this, first I want to execute a delete command, right? So I want to delete one row from the table. Here I want to delete Suresh. I want to delete the row with the name Suresh. I want to delete the row with the name Suresh. So I want to delete this row. For that, simply you need to write delete from which table? Supplier 22, where the condition is sup underscore name equal to, what is the name here? Suresh. The name is Suresh. Put semicolon, press enter. Why Suresh? 0 rows deleted. Check whether it is capital letter or small letter. Capital letter I want to type Suresh. S-U-R-E-S-H. Suresh. One row deleted. The name is entered in capital letter. So you need to, while entering the data, you need to remember whether the data is entered in capital letter or small letters. Right? One row deleted. Check the data again. I want to check it. Select star from this table, supplier table. Supplier 22, semicolon. Look at Suresh deleted. The record with the name Suresh is deleted. Now I want to restore it. What is the command to restore? Rollback is the command to restore. So I got the message rollback completed. Check once again, select star from supplier 22. Here I got the Suresh record back. So that is the delete command helps us to delete one row or two rows or multiple rows, and you can roll back the rows, right? This is about our delete command. Now I want to execute the truncate command. Truncate command is used to delete all the rows. You cannot delete one record. Point to be noted, you cannot delete one record, right? If you want to delete all the rows of the table, use the truncate command. And one more point you need to remember, you cannot restore the records, right? So truncate command truncate, truncate table. What is the table name? Supplier. Supplier 22. Table truncated means all the rows are deleted. Check, display the records, try to display the records. Select a star from supplier 22. No rows selected. All the rows are deleted. If you type rollback, it will not restore it, right? So in the definition, I give that the truncate command helps us to delete all the rows of the table. If you delete all the rows of the table by using truncate, you cannot restore the records, right? That is truncate. But structure will be there. The table will be there. I want to check whether table is there or not. For that, the command is DESC. DESC. What is the what do you want to describe? Supplier. Supplier 22. Check it. The table is there, but rows are not there. All the rows are deleted. All the rows are deleted, but table structure is there. But I want to delete the structure of the table. I want to destroy the structure of the table from the database. I want to delete the entire table. For that, you need to type a command called a drop. Drop table. What is the table name? Supplier. The table supplier 22, semicolon, enter. Table drop. Now type the again describe, DESC, describe. Table name is supplier. Supplier 22, semicolon. Look at the supplier does not exist. Why? Because I destroyed the memory occupied by the table supplier 22 by using drop. The drop command simply deletes the entire table from the database, right? So this is about delete, truncate, and drop commands. Thank you one and all. And I request each one of you, please subscribe my channel. Try to share my channel, like my channel. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day. See you in the next video.